Warning: some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
San Diego Emergency Dispatcher 8119. Do you need police, fire, or paramedics?
Please.
To what address, sir?
Well, I'm at the Irish Avenue Trolley Station, but on the trolley there was I think he was crazy. He was foaming at the mouth, but he has a weapon, a gun.
Okay, is the trolley moving or is it stopped?
I got off. It already left.
Okay, and he's still on that trolley?
He's still on the trolley headed to San Ysidro.
Transit Enforcement Dispatch Springer.
Hey, San Diego Police.
Yes, we're calling. We have an individual that has a gun on board. One of our LRVs currently located at San Ysidro. We have our units outside. Everyone has left the LRV. We have our units outside.
Hold on, I'm sorry. That's actually what I was calling you about. Where is the trolley at right now?
It's currently at San Ysidro.
San Ysidro stopped. So it's stopped, right?
Correct. It's stopped.
Everybody off of the trolley?
Everyone. We've got everyone off.
Okay, and did your trolley security officers see the firearm?
Correct. Yes, they confirmed it. They had two individuals that reported it, and they were able to confirm it. The individual is currently still on board.
Okay, I'm sorry. So I know the two people told them about it. I'm just asking, did they physically see it or not?
Yes.
They had witnesses. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. So one of our officers has confirmed the individual sitting in the chair with it in his left hand, rocking back and forth.
Hey, where is he? He's right there? Where is he?
No, he's inside the train. Sitting down on the seat.
Okay, 714Z, he's inside the train. We're trying to figure out where he's at. Where is he?
The train in the middle car.
In the middle cart?
In the middle car, he's got a pizza.
He has a big backpack on. He's going to be in the middle trolley carriage. We're getting directed by Trolley Security right now.
Right there in the middle. In the middle? Yeah, in the middle. Right
Where is he? Where is he? In the middle?
Yeah, it's right there.
One at gunpoint. He's in the middle right now. He's by himself. He has a pink backpack, black beanie. Hey, I need to open the door. Hey, I got eyes. Hey, I got him. Hey, San Diego Police! Hands up! Hey, I need to open the door right now. Open the door. San Diego, I need the air. He's not listening to commands. The carriage is currently closed. Hey, San Diego Police! Hands up! Hey, let me see your fucking ass! Let me see your fucking ass! Drop! Drop! Get the fuck! Get the fuck! Shots fired! Shots fired! 17, shots fired. Alright, let's start rendering aid. Alright. Get outside!
No one's injured, just a suspect.
Fire recovered. Fire recovered.
Not breathing, fire recovered.
Hey, get that shit.
Yeah.
Sam, what do you see? Suspect, multiple gunshots to the face and to the chest, providing aid. Give me some gloves.
Hold the door for you.
Hey, bro, talk to me. 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 Hey, I need gloves right now.
Everyone, I got gloves here. I got gloves for you. Gloves for you. Over there, dude. I got your six. Everyone here. Camera back on, dude.
Yep, I got you. Yep. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, listen to me, buddy. Hey, buddy. He's gone, bro, I think.
He's gone, dude.
He's gone, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start first aid, alright?
Okay.
CPR in progress. CPR in progress. Right now. CPR in progress.
Here is something interesting I noticed while watching the Border Patrol footage. Check out this guy trying to film the body.
Where is he? Inside the train.
Inside the train? Okay.
Pink backpack. Inside the train in the middle car. In the middle car, he's got a pink backpack on.
Where's it? He's in the middle?
Yeah, in the middle right Where's in the middle? Yeah, it's right there.
One at gunpoint. He's in the middle right now. Get out of here, man.
Look at him.
Relax, meeting. Hey, open the door. Hey, I got eyes. Hey, I got him. Where's that? City of Police! Hands up! Hey, I need you to open the door right now. Open the door. It's opening. It's opening. This guy right here, right? To command the area is currently closed. Hey, City of Police! Hands up! Hey, let me see your fucking ass! Let me see your fucking ass! Drop! Drop! Get the car! Get the car! Shots fired! Shots fired! 714, shots fired. All right, let's start rendering aid. San 14, I see you when you medic. No officers injured, just a suspect. Firearm
not
recovered.
conscious,
Firearm
not breathing, firearm recovered.
Hey, get that shit.
Yeah.
Same
Make a level up, dude.
suspect, multiple gunshots to the face and to the chest, providing aid. Hey, give me, come the bus.
I'll hold the doors for you.
Hey, bro, talk to me. Talk to me. Hey, I need gloves right now.
Everyone, I only got one dude here.
I got gloves.
Hey, talk to me.
Gloves for you. Everyone here, dude. Everyone here. Put your camera back on, dude.
Yep, I got you. Hey, buddy.
He's
Hey, buddy, listen to me, buddy. Hey, buddy. He's gone, bro.
He's gone, dude.
He's gone, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start first aid, alright?
Okay.
CPR progress.
I'm going for the guy medics now, right, dude?
Stand go back, starting CPR.
714, my partner's doing CPR.
STPD did it.
Hey, Ruben, I'm gonna take the gun, okay, dude?
No, keep the guard there,
The gun's right here.
Yep. What's up?
Let me know if you need a break.
No, good. Just make sure we get the scene, make sure we get the names and the IDs of the MTS officers right now. Hey, we need to make an in and out perimeter, guys, please. Let's get everybody out of the Trolley station right now.
Start directing medics inside.
Hey, we need to start getting their names right now.
Okay. Hey, Ruben, I'm gonna stand by here with you, dude, until medics get here, right? Because I don't want anybody touching that gun, right?
Yep. Seabird, slow progress.
Get out of the train!
Get out of the train! Get out of the train! Clear, everybody, clear out! 1014, my partner's still doing CPR.
There's nobody in this part.
Hey, we need to get. Hey, if you're not involved, get the fuck out of
If
here.
you're not involved, stand back. Hey, CBP guys, just make sure nobody gets in.
Yeah, get space for the medics, please.
Hey, Customs.
And I need SCPD officers just to watch for that.
Yeah, Customs don't let civilians get near the scene.
Yeah, just keep the door open.
Hey, see, first slow progress.
Yeah, only guide medics in. Yep. Everyone, just a little longer. The medics are here, okay?
All right.
San 14, CPR still in progress. Medics are 97.
I dropped it back to you, buddy.
Yep. Hey, I need to get my pocket out and start cutting his bag off. What's up? I'm good, bro. I just need to see.
We can DC compression.
Okay.
We can DC compression. Everybody's good.
Okay.
We're calling it.
You guys are calling it?
Yeah.
Ruben, you're calling it.
Matter.
Medics are here.
We're good.
They're calling it.
Brain matter. Okay. Very good. All right.
So make sure you get
Yeah. Hey, you good, dude? Yeah?
That's probably more about don't let it go out.
We're calling it the audio sounds the wrong time too.
Check out the perimeter, make it 360. Make sure no one comes touch the third. Yeah. Additionally, CP officers are making an inner perimeter. Push down, make the perimeter, guys.
We're gonna have you step back.
Yeah.
We're gonna set off on the perimeter. We got nothing to do. Let's have you step back. And those you right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's have you two just hang out here. Okay. And then we're gonna
Okay.
I'm just gonna help secure the scene, and then these three are the guys that we need to talk to.
I'm gonna stay with you two, okay?
That
You good? Just hang out here. You need anything?
No.